Hello, Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Mathematics class for Standard 7th, Chapter 6, The Triangle and Its Properties, Part 8. Up till now, what you have learnt? In the earlier video, I taught you exercise 6.4, question number 1 and question number 2. From this video, you will be learning question number 3 and question number 4. That is the continuation of exercise 6.4 further sums. So let us start with the explanation of exercise 6.4's question number 3. Now this is your exercise 6.4's question number 3. AM is a median of a triangle ABC. Is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Now, as you can see, this is the given triangle A, B and C. And M is the midpoint of BC. How did you come to know that M is the midpoint of BC? Because here it is mentioned that AM is a median. If AM is a median, you know that A is the vertex of the triangle and it meets on the midpoint of its opposite side. So definitely then it is called an median. So M is the midpoint of BC. If M is the midpoint of BC, BM is equal to CM. So this side is equal to this side. Now let us start with the solutions. As you could see, we have to take one and then this other half triangle one time. So let us start in triangle ABM. As we know, we are going to use here the property, the sum of either sides of a triangle is always greater than its third side. We know that the sum of either side of a triangle is always greater than its third side. Therefore, AB plus BM is greater than AM. So why we are taking this only to the greater other side? So as you can see that we need AM on the greater side after, that means on the lesser side, and greater will be the addition. So every time when you take this, you have to keep this in your mind that what you need after this symbol. So you need AM side after this symbol. So we are going to use that technique. So these two sides will be added and will be greater than AM. So let's write AB plus BM is greater than AM, and let us mark it as your equation 1. Okay, so we are going to make this use. That's why we are marking this line as an equation 1. Now let us go to the other triangle half, that is other half of the same triangle, and that is in triangle ACM. Again, the sum of either side of a triangle is always greater than its third side, right? Therefore, now from here we are going to again make use of that we need am on the this side symbol. So in this way we are going to add this side and this side, that is AC plus CM, right? We will be writing like this. So AC plus CM is greater than the median, that is AM. And now let us mark this as equation 2. Now see, equation 1 and equation 2 we have marked. Now what we are going to do? We are going to add this equation 1 and this equation 2. After adding AM and AM, we will be getting the number 2 as we want for our proof, right? So whenever we are solving any proof, we are keeping things in the mind that what we have to do. So adding AM and AM, we will get 2AM, right? So we are going to add these equations. So let us write down now here, adding equation 1 and 2. Therefore, so let us add now. Whatever greater sides are there, we are going to add them. That is AB plus BM plus AC plus CM, right? So let us write down AB plus BM plus AC plus CM is greater than, this side we have AM and AM, so we are going to write AM plus AM. Okay, now let us arrange them. See, what we are arranging? We are arranging BM and CM together. This BM and CM together. So what will happen? I'll let you know what will happen. Therefore, AB plus BM plus CM plus AC, or you can write CA is greater than 2AM. Now here BM and CM, we are going to make them under one bracket. Now what happens with BM and addition with CM? Could see the figure here. When BM and CM are joined, plus means joined together, what line you get? You get the whole line BC. So for writing this together, we will write one BC here. So we will write, therefore, AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. So this was the proof we need to bring according to the question, that this is possible that AB plus BC plus CA will be greater than 2AM. So yes, we had solved with certain steps and the techniques and we are able to get the answer. So we can say that hence proved, or yes, it is possible. So writing hence proved. So this way, hence proved, that means whatever was needed we can bring by solution. That's yes, by applying certain properties we will be able to get this true. Understood? Now let us move on to the next question. This is your next question, number 4. ABCD is a quadrilateral. So this kind of a quadrilateral is there for you in the textbook, where we have to prove this statement now, that whether it is possible that AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than the diagonal AC and the diagonal BD. We have to prove this. Okay, so let us start. Now here is a question mark and we will start with the solution of this. In this the quadrilateral, we have to take the quadrilateral with 4 different triangles partitions. How we are going to part? See, we will part from here. Let us start our first triangle with ABC. Is this triangle ABC? Right, the sum of either 2 sides of a triangle is greater than its third side. we need AC on the greater side. Could you see this greater sign AC here? So we need to take AC on the greater's right hand side. So here we will be adding AB and BC. Similarly, after this ABC triangle, we will move on to BCD triangle. Second time. Same property, we will be adding BC and DC greater than BD. See, we need BD on the other side. Similarly, after changing the vertex, we will go to the vertex C and we will be taking the triangle CDA, this triangle. In this triangle also we need AC one side. So what we will be adding? CD plus AD is greater than AC. And after C we will move on to D. DAB will be our last triangle where we will be adding DA and AB will be greater than BD. In this manner we are going to start with the vertex taking 4 different triangles in the quadrilateral. And then we will be getting 4 equations. As we did in the earlier question, we added question 1 and 2, that was equation 1 and 2. In the similar manner, for this figure also, when we are getting 4 equations, we will be adding all that 4 equations and we will be able to prove this proof, right? So let us begin with our first triangle. In triangle ABC, sum of either side of a triangle is greater than its third side. Therefore, let us add AB, as we are in ABC, right? So AB plus BC is greater than AC. And let us mark this as our equation 1. Now we will be moving to the next triangle, that is BCD. In triangle BCD, sum of either sides of a triangle is greater than its third side. This property we are using. Therefore, now for BCD triangle, BC plus DC, or we may say CD, is greater than BD. So we will be writing BC plus CD is greater than BD. So this is our equation 2. This is our equation 2. Now after this triangle, our vertex will change to C and we will go to this triangle, that is CDA, right? So let us write in triangle CDA, sum of either side of a triangle is greater than its third side. Therefore, here we are going to write which side? CD plus DA is greater than AC, right? So, CD plus DA is greater than AC, and we will mark this as our equation number 3. In the similar manner, now we are going to move on to the next vertex, that is D, and we will be taking the triangle DAB. Okay. In triangle DAB, sum of either side of a triangle is always greater than, right? Is always greater than its third side. Therefore, so which sides we will be taking? CD plus DA is greater than AC. So we will be writing CD plus DA is greater than, BD. We are in this triangle, so we are taking DA plus AB. We are taking DA plus AB. We are in this triangle is greater than BD. So DA plus AB, DA plus AB is greater than BD. This is your fourth equation. Now we have to move like this, adding 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we will be writing adding 1, 2, 3 and 4. So therefore all these sides we will be adding AB plus BC, then BC plus CD, CD plus DA and DA plus AB. So let us write down AB plus BC plus BC plus CD plus CD plus DA plus DA plus AB is greater than, now look here, AC, BD, AC, BD, right? That means we have 2 AC and 2 BD. And here also if you could see, we are getting 2 to everything. See, this AB and this ABs are 2 AB. So we will write 2 AB. BC and BC are 2 BC. CD and CD are 2 CD. DA and DA are 2 DA if you want to write DA, okay? Or AD also you can write. And 2 AC plus 2 BD. Now taking 2 common out, what we will be getting inside the bracket then? Inside the bracket you are getting AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than, here also take 2 common outside, and inside the bracket you can write only the segment's name, that is AC and BD. Now this 2 and this 2 get cancelled, and therefore what you get? AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD, and hence proved. So in this manner, even the question number 4's, that this is possible through this diagram. So we proved that yes, by taking 4 different vertex triangles, we can have 4 equations, and after adding we can get the proof. So hence it is proved. I hope students you have understood the question number 3 and question number 4. Right students? Now we will be meeting soon with the another video and the continuation of exercise 6.4, that is question number 5 and 6. Till then, have a good day and have a great day ahead. Goodbye.